Welcome to Creating with Witty Science. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit this image in Canva, okay? You see this lady, her hair has a space in here. The hair is like a little bit too small on her head. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make it fuller and different and nice. Very beautiful. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, you can do this with your own images, with your own pictures. If you have pictures that you want to change something on it, you can do it in Canva. It's possible. It's possible. I'll give you the steps today to do it. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the background. Um, I'll go to PG Remover and remove the background. To be able to use all these tools in Canva, you need to have Canva Pro. And if you don't have Canva Pro, click the link down below here. You will get 30 days free Canva Pro from me. Okay. And if you don't want it, you checked it out, you don't want it, you can just unsubscribe. But get the link down here. Get 30 days free Canva Pro from me. Okay, so I have removed the background of this image. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, because she's so pretty. This is the AI image, by the way. I made it with Midjourney. Okay, let's go to edit. Here we are going to the filters. I'll choose this one. This one has the nice filter on it, Fresco. I love it, so I'll choose this one. Okay, you can choose whatever you want, and there are so many filters in here. You can also adjust the filters. If you don't want it this dark, you can put it in here in between. Okay, now like I said, I'm going to close this gap here, and I'm going to make the hair fuller on this side and also on the other side. Look what I do. I'm going to duplicate this lady. I have two of her, and you think I would put it behind her and stuff. No, we are not doing that. I will cut this in the middle like so. You see that? And I will bring this up, okay, up to here. You see that? And now what will we do? We'll put them here. Yep, and then we're done. Look how beautiful it is. No, we are not doing that. This we will send to the back. Go to position, okay, position, and click on back. You see that? We send that part to the back. You see, we made her hair fuller on this side. Okay. And if you say, okay, this side is nice, I want to do it also on the other side. We can use the same one. Let's go to layers. We can use this one. Let me duplicate it. We can use this same one, flip it horizontally. Okay. And then we can edit here, but we also have to send it to the background also. You see that? We send it to the background. Yeah. Make sure no part of the pink shirt is coming in. You see that? We change it all up. So her hair is fuller. So where it was like only this part, where we had like this, you see that? Now we have this. You see how I edited? You can do this with your own pictures. It's easy to do in Canva. So we have a whole new picture, a whole new photo, but it's the same person and almost the same hairstyle, but a little bit more enhanced. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this content, subscribe and leave a comment for me below and tell me if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.